Okay, this is a refractometer. When we're looking at specific gravity, remember on the strip we saw some specific gravity results? Well, that's going to be based on chemical. We'll talk about that in a week or two, how the strip works differently than the actual refractometer. For the refractometer, we're actually looking for the light bending based on what's on there. Excuse me. So you always have QC that will run on this to make sure it's all working right, but I'm just going to pretty much today show you the basics of how we're going to load it and how we're going to read it. So I've got my urine sample here, Buzz Sugar, and I've got the paper here. And what I'm going to do is just take a pipette. Always just give your urine a swirl before you open it. I'm going to take a little bit of urine out. Now I only take a little bit. It doesn't need a lot. It's only going to need a couple drops. And then you're going to load it right underneath here. So you can see this little lid lifts up. You're going to lift it up just a little bit. It's supposed to soak in, but these are a little older, so I always wait until I have it up. And if you look, you can see how this is cloudy, and you want to do it until it turns dark. And you can see there, you can see the water, the urine going through the bottom, and how this little window is darkening a little bit. And I'm just going to add a little bit more. It looks like I got a little bit of an older one. Tap it a couple times, and there we go. And then I'm going to look in here. There's a little light switch on the front. I'm going to push the little light switch. I'm going to put it back down. And I'm going to look in, and I'm going to see what my refractometer reading is. It's going to be the scale over to the left, and what you're going to be looking at is when you're looking at it, it's going to be between the dark and the light. Unfortunately, I don't think there's going to be a way I can show you on the video what it looks like. I will have demos set up in class so everybody will get a chance to look at it. But you're going to look in. Now, even though there's a light down here, a lot of times I find it easier to tilt it upright because the light coming in from the ceiling is actually enough for it. And I'm going to read, and it's 1.005. So then on my paperwork on specific gravity, I'm going to go over here to my confirmatory test, 1.005. Okay, that's all there is to it.